Alright, welcome back to Paul's Kitchen. Now today I have a lot of bumper crop from my garden, and I decided rather than let it go waste, I'm going to use it for something else. So I'm going to show you how to make green seasoning. It's a Caribbean condiment, seasoning condiment that enhances a lot of food. Either stew, baking something, grilling. This is the way to go. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we're going to use for the green seasoning. Over here, we have cilantro, we have some parsley, and here we have some scalpel peppers, some jalapenos, some cayenne pepper from the garden. It's not ripe, but I use it anyway. And we got some bell peppers and some green onions. We have some ginger, we have some and garlic, and some onions, and then we got a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of white wine vinegar, and a little salt over here to season it. So now we'll put everything together. We'll start by putting our peppers. So the onions, ginger and garlic. Put a little bit of salt for seasoning. Put about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then here's the Italian parsley. Now we're going to start it. Okay, so we'll put it on here. We're using the Vitamix. And then, all right, now we'll put in the cilantro. And then the scallions. All right, let's cover it up and pulse it. Alright, now let's check it out. The green seasoning is ready. Man, this is a world famous green seasoning. This thing carries some punch. Alright, as you can see here, we have some egg ice tray that will preserve this thing in. Normally, if you have so much, you can use it a day. You can freeze some in the freezer, and whenever you need it, I mean, after it's frozen, you put them in Ziploc bags, and when you need it, you just take them out as you need, as you go. So we're gonna try and put them in there. Everything I call for them. Boom! Boom! Welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, so now this is the finished product. We will finish with the green seasoning. We package them in this ice maker, and then we'll freeze it. I mean, normally it takes about an hour. We'll freeze it, and after that, we empty them and put them in the Ziploc bag for later use. Whenever we need it, we'll get as many as we want whether for grilling or stews or soups. So I will show you the final product after it comes out of the freezer. So don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to build our site. So share, like, and then give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. So whenever we have new videos, you can also be first to see it. We always load videos every week. So please subscribe and follow us. There's a lot of recipes and recipe planning. All right, so this is the finished product here. We took it out of the freezer, and as you can see, if you need any, say 1 or 2, you just drop it in your soup, stew, or whatever. Also, make sure when you put it in the Ziploc bag, you just label it so you know what it is. Anyway, we thank you for coming, and don't forget to subscribe, like, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification button. Thank you. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.